I'll show you the official step-by-step method to send money directly to any bank account using Xoom, how to use your existing PayPal account to skip the registration process entirely, and how to structure the recipient's info so the funds don't get rejected. If you're ready, hit that like button. Let's get into the fix. Sending money across borders with traditional wire transfers is painfully slow and usually packed with hidden routing fees. Remittance apps like Xoom make it faster, but if you fund your transfer using the wrong payment method, your bank can slap you with an unexpected cash advance fee that destroys your savings. First, let's look at the fastest way to get into the platform. Open the Xoom app or go to the website at xoom.com. Because Xoom is owned by PayPal, do not waste time creating a brand new account from scratch. Simply tap Login with PayPal. This instantly bridges your verified identity data and all your saved payment methods directly over to Xoom. Keep in mind your account tier limits. A standard level 1 profile can send up to $2,999 a day. If you need to send a higher amount, you'll just need to quickly input your passport or ID under your profile settings to unlock higher tiers. Now, let's set up the deposit. Select the destination country and enter the amount you want to transfer. Under Delivery Options, make sure to select Bank Deposit. Type in your recipient's full legal name exactly as it appears on their physical bank statement. International bank networks will automatically reject or freeze the transfer if the names don't match, tying up your funds for days. Select the recipient's bank from the drop-down list and input their account number along with the local routing number or SWIFT code. For select regions like the UK and EU, you can select debit card deposit instead. Just enter the recipient's 16-digit debit card number, and Xoom will instantly push the funds straight into their bank account like a standard deposit. The final step is choosing how to pay, and this is where most people get burned. You can fund the transfer with a bank account, a debit card, a credit card, or PayPal stablecoin, which is highest. Never use a credit card. Bank card networks flag international remittance platforms as cash transactions, meaning you will get hit with a massive cash advance fee from your credit card company on top of Xoom's fee. To get the lowest total cost, pay using a linked bank account or use Piest, which offers $0 transfer fees on Xoom. Once you hit send, monitor the progress live under the app's Track Transactions tab. Funds typically settle anywhere from a few minutes to 2 business days. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.